dear viewers, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Holy Cross Texas School. Today, I Shivangi welcome back to you all with the detailed information of one such course which will enable you to enter into the field of radiology. As in the earlier video also we discussed about the stream radiologist. Today I will be going to tell you how you can enter into the field of radiography and radiology. Yes, my dear viewers, today I am going to talk about one such course, that is BSc Radiology. BSc Radiology is a 3-year degree course. Radiology involves scanning, taking pictures of the body to diagnose various diseases. The course program is designed to teach students the different methods of radiographic imaging and extract useful information about a patient. Candidates wishing to pursue a BSc degree in the field of radiology should have cleared class 12 in the science stream. It means you have to pursue medical in your 12th class, means physics, chemistry and biology. It is mandatory to take medical stream in 12th class, then and only then you will be able to pursue BSc Radiology as your career. Next is admissions to top colleges and universities are done through the entrance examinations followed by group discussions and interviews. Students can also pursue higher studies such as MSc, MPhil, PhD in the same field. The radiology course opens up ample job opportunities for all the graduates like radiographer, radiology technician, medical image analyst, assistant radiologist and several others. This was the complete information about what is BSc Radiology, how you can opt BSc Radiology, what career or aspects you can choose after completing your BSc Radiology. Also, you can do your masters in the same field and you can do research in the same field. This field is basically to diagnose a particular disease inside a human body. Next is highlights of radiology. What is radiology? It is a 3 years course. Entrance exam is NEET or AIMS. Eligibility criteria 10+2 in science stream. Admission process, it's entrance exam and merit. Highest marks in NEET should be 720 and lowest marks should be 147. Fees is rupees 10,000 to rupees 10 lakhs. That depends. Fees matters upon the type of college, in which type of college you are going to take your admission. If the college is government college, then it will not take that much fees as compared to a private college. If you will go into the more reputed college, the fees will go on increasing. These are not the correct fees details. If you want to know about the correct fee details, you can go to the websites and check it, as they are bound to increase day by day. Next is average salary of a radiologist is 2 lakhs to rupees 6 lakhs per annum. What are the job profiles? You can become an X-ray technician, radiographer, therapy radiographer, radiation protection specialist, medical image analyst. The top recruiters are AIMS, Columbia Asia, Apollo Hospital, CMC, Medanta, Fortis Hospital, Manipal Hospital. Next thing we talk about is BSc Radiology eligibility criteria, means what conditions you have to take upon to enter into the field of radiology. The eligibility criteria for BSc Radiology are similar for most of the colleges and universities. Candidates who have passed class 12 in the science stream can pursue a BSc Radiology degree course. The eligibility criteria for admission to BSc Radiology course have been listed below. Students must have cleared their class 12 examination in the stream of science from a recognized board. Students should have secured a minimum aggregate score of 50% or above in the compulsory subjects such as physics, chemistry and mathematics. Students must clear the entrance test along with the other rounds with the required cutoff specified by the institutes. The cutoffs are specified by different institutes according to their strength. Next is BSc Radiology admissions. Now I would like to tell you the admission process in BSc Radiology. The admission process to BSc Radiology remains the same as other UG courses. Colleges and universities offering admissions to BSc Radiology courses enroll students on the basis of entrance test or merit based or marks obtained in the last qualifying exam. Students can find the complete admission process for top colleges offering the BSc Radiology course. Students must appear for the entrance exam for which they are applying for admission. Some colleges consider merit-based selection on the basis of marks obtained by the students in 10+2 from a recognized institute or board. It depends on different colleges. Some institutes are taking upon the 10+2 exam marks. Some are taking the admission on the entrance exam which they are conducted for the students. Next is top entrance exam. Now I will tell you about two most top entrance exam by which you can go into the field of doctorate. First is NEET. National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test is a national level exam that is conducted to provide admissions to top medical colleges in India. Several colleges accept NEET for offering admission to the radiology and imaging courses. Next is AIIMS. All India Institute of Medical Sciences conducts AIIMS entrance exam for BSc Radiology degree. The entrance exam is determined for admission to BSc, MSc and other courses. The important information about the test you can take from the Google. Next is BSc Radiology skills required. What are the required skills for opting BSc Radiology? In order to pursue BSc in Radiology, students must possess certain skills that are essential for them to understand radiology better. The aspirants should have the medical knowledge plus organizational problem-solving skills to understand and explain a patient's medical problem or symptom through images of the inside of the body. Some of the key skills required for this course are observational skills. An aspirant should have proper observational skills. Communication skills is mandatory for all the courses. Interpersonal skills, analytical, organizational skills, problem solving skills, research skill and medical knowledge. Now, BSc Radiology fee structure. The course fee for BSc in Radiology is determined by the college management. Some colleges governed by the public or state government charge tuition fees only in thousands. The private colleges charge money which is usually high. The average course fee for a radiology course in India usually ranges from rupees 20,000 to rupees 2 lakhs annually. It depends on college to college. As I told you earlier also, all the institutions, private institutions, government institutions, both are having different criteria for admission process also and for the fee structure also. As I told you, the fee structure starts from 20,000 and it ends up to rupees 2 lakh annually. Next is scope of BSc Radiology. After completing your BSc in Radiology, what kind of scope you are going to opt? Radiology is a well-established career. The course program has a vast scope. After completion of BSc Radiology, students can explore several roles in the terms of their career and job prospects in that field. Students can also pursue higher studies such as master's, doctoral or postdoctoral degrees such as MSc, MPhil or PhD in the same field. In India or abroad, all the hospitals are equipped with the radiology department. These hospitals or private labs employ radiology graduates who have broad knowledge about the field. Students also take up research that helps them to grow in the field immensely. Career options after BSc Radiology are: the demand for radiology professional is immense as the need for the quality radiologists has been growing. There are plenty of career options for the radiology graduates in the hospitals, clinics and healthcare centers for several roles like radiographer, therapy radiographer, radiation protection specialist, physiotherapist and many more. The course graduates also opt for higher studies and specialize in different radiology areas such as diagnostic radiology, cardiovascular radiology, radiation oncology, pediatric radiology, gastrointestinal radiology and many more. If we talk about the next thing, that is the list of career options. Now I would like to tell you the career options which you can choose after completing your BSc in radiology or MSc in radiology or research means PhD in radiology. The first career option is X-ray technician, one of the most rewarded job. An X-ray technician operates X-ray machines in hospitals, clinics and other diagnostic centers. They conduct X-rays of patients in hospitals where they are employed. It can be in the private hospital also and the government hospital also. Salary also is based upon your type of hospital. If it is a government hospital, then your salary is also according to the government scale. Next is a radiographer. Radiographers are those professionals who use X-rays and other methods to diagnose the patient's ailments. He or she plays the role of treating patients with the help of radiation and imaging. Therapy radiographer. Next scope is therapy radiographer. These radiographers are employed in the oncology department. They are in charge of departments wherein they use radiations to treat cancer patients. This therapy radiographer is used to treat the cancer patients. Radiation protection specialist. Radiation protection specialists mostly work for the hospitals who help them to find out ways to minimize and prevent radiation damage. They are responsible for evaluating and testing the X-ray machines in hospitals, clinics, etc. Next is diagnostic radiographer. Diagnostic radiographers are professionals working in hospitals, clinics or other centers who work is to use radiation in the form of X-rays and ultrasound to diagnose and identify various diseases. If you are doing your studies in the field of radiology, the main objective is to diagnose the disease inside the patient by taking out the clear pictures. Next is list of top hospitals where you can go after completing your course in the particular stream. First is AIIMS, next is Columbia Asia, Apollo Hospital, CMC Medanta, Fortis Hospital, Manipal Hospital. Now benefits of studying BSc Radiology. Now questions are being arising in your mind that why I am telling you this much about BSc Radiology. This is because there are so many benefits after completing your BSc or MSc in Radiology. These benefits are as follows. The course provides students with specialized knowledge in the field of radiography. BSc Radiology trains the students to diagnose and extract useful information about the patient. The radiology graduates can find employment opportunities in many areas like government, private, nursing homes, cancer treatment laboratories and many more. Students can also continue by doing their higher studies in the same field, which will further enhance their academic background. Now, expected salary after BSc Radiology. The radiology graduates have vast opportunities in terms of career, as I have told you right now. So the expected salary for BSc Radiology graduates could be around rupees 4 lakhs. It depends upon the level of experience also. If you are having an experience of 1 year, then your average salary per annum would be 2,90,000 to rupees 3,20,000. If you are having an experience of 1 to 3 years, then your salary will increase from 3,70,000 to 4,50,000. Again, if you have an experience more than 5 years, then your salary would be 5,15,000 to 6 lakhs. That is per annum annually. Now you can consider or you can analyze that after doing BSc Radiology, how much salary you are getting. Next is list of top 10 BSc Radiology colleges in India. In India, top colleges offering BSc Radiology courses are both state government institutes as well as private institutes also. The college fee depends on several factors. Some of the top 10 colleges for BSc Radiology is as follows. Some of the most reputed institutes are Shri Guru Gobind Singh Tri-Centenary University Gurgaon, Maharaja Agrasen Medical Colleges Agroha, Uttar Pradesh University of Medical Sciences Saifia, CSJMUK Kanpur, Doon Institute of Medical Science Dehradun, AIIMS Delhi, Indian Institute of Health Education and Research Patna, IGMC Shimla, Global University Saharanpur, SIM SRC Bangalore, NTR UHS Vijayawada. These all were the reputed colleges where you can opt your BSc Radiology. Now comes some of the most frequently asked questions regarding radiology. The question is BSc Radiography a good course to apply for or not? The answer is radiology is a well-established field. It trains students in the area of radiographic imaging of the human body. The course provides ample job opportunities to the graduates. What would be the average salary for the BSc Radiology graduates? The average salary for BSc Radiology graduates is around 6 lakhs per annum. As I have told you everything related to the BSc Radiology course, what kind of career aspects you are going to get after completing your BSc Radiology. So as per salary also I have told you. Accordingly, I hope this video will be helpful to you, and I think you will think over the guidance and you will opt this field as your career. If you have any kind of query, you can write in the comment section box. I will try to clear your doubts as soon as possible. For more informative videos, kindly hit the like button and subscribe our school YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.